The Gaelic Otherworld was a realm beyond linear time, a parallel world inhabited by the Aes She, otherwise known as the fairies. This realm shaped much of the daily life, imagination and psyche of our Irish ancestors. It was a mysterious realm, just beyond the veil of ordinary sight. This workshop, Meeting the Gaelic Otherworld, Embarking on the Mist-Filled Path, Sacred Time and the Numinous, explores Carl Jung's concept of individuation and the role of the Numinous in psychological transformation and trauma healing. Here we encounter the wisdom of the ancestors and their ways of seeing and being in the world, how these ancestral customs, stories and rituals act like symbolic gateways into our own inner world and depths. This is a visceral, visual meditation of Ireland, its indigenous ways and ancestral wisdom, designed to evoke and stir the senses and imagination. It is a unique journey of personal development and discovery that honours not just ourselves, but our ancestors.